นิสาคงทอง am host
Hi teacher Jindarat my name is พิมพัฒน์แพรมา I am just
Hi teacher จิตรรัตน์ My name is เขมิสราขวัญเมืองมนชัย I am just
Hi teacher จินดารัตน์ My name is นิตาภูมิเกต I am just
Hi, my name is Rashida D. Today, role play chef.
Hi, my name is Kitiya Lopoli. I'm the accent test of Chef Lamtip.
Hi, my name is รัตติการเขียวพาย
Hi my name is นราวัลติชานันท์ I am the assistant of Chef รัติการ
Hello everyone, this is KU Iron Chef. Today we have two contestants that are the main ingredients: eggs, bread, and sauces. You all have seen the ingredient. Have you thought of a recipe yet? What recipe would you like to cook?
Oh I think I will make sandwich menu
What is the menu for Chef Namtip?
Today, we will make a menu lava egg pizza.
You have already got the recipe to cook, and are you ready to see the recipe from Chef?
Hi, my name is Kitiya Lopoli. I'm the accent test of Chef Lamtip. There are also ingredients that Chef Lamtip will use. Ingredient lava egg pizza, bread, cheese rice, crabs, steak 3 pieces, sausage 3 pieces, cheese 50 gram, salt 100 gram, eggs 3 eggs, and pineapple 50 grams.
When you know the ingredients, okay, let's start cook. Step 1. Cut pineapple, capsicum, and sausage into small bite-sized pieces. Step 2. Press the center of the bread to make a hole for the eggs. Step 3. Sausage, capsicum, and pineapple on the bread. Then hammer the eggs into the hole in the middle and sprinkle cheese on it. Step 4. The tomato sauce. Pour it down. Add your light. Look. And another step, we will bring pizza that we made into the microwave.
How long does it take, Chef?
About 3 to 5 minutes or until the eggs are cooked as we want.
Well, we are waiting for Chef Namtip. Let's see Chef Latika.
Hi my name is นราวัลติชานันท์ I am assistant of Chef รัติการ There are also ingredients Chef รัติการ will use. Ingredients: sandwich raw meat 1. 2 slices of whole wheat bread 2. Vegetable salad 3. Raw fat sausage cut in half 4. A slice of low fat cheese 5. Microwave poached egg 6. Ketchup low sodium recipe 7. Whole tomato sauce.
When you know the ingredients let's start to cook
Okay, place the salad vegetable on the bed. Followed by sausage. And cheese. And poached egg. With tomato sauce. Push another slice on the bed.
Chef Ratikan is finished and Chef Namtip is also done. So, let's go to see the judges' decisions.
The lava egg pizza is perfect. I would like to the eggs are over medium. The sandwich portion is good, but the ingredients are too little.
The lava egg pizza with tomato is quite salty, but overall is good. The sandwich I personally like it stuff, but the taste is like a normal sandwich. Lava pizza, I think it tastes delicious because the eggs are being cooked just right. Sandwich give a lot of filling. It can be seen that sandwich has a very too filling and also has a sauce that goes well with sausage and eggs.
เชฟน้ำทิพย์4 point เชฟรัตติการ2 point
เชฟน้ำทิพย์ get 4 point รัติการ get 2 point เชฟน้ำทิพย์ get 4 point เชฟรัติการ get 3 point
And now the score is in my hand. Everyone want to know, right? Who will win? The winner is Chef Namtip. Congratulations, Chef Namtip.
Ingredient lava egg pizza 1 bread cheese slice 2 case stick 3 piece 3 sunset 3 piece 4 cheese 50 gram 5 case of 100 gram 6 eggs 3 eggs 7 pineapple 50 gram
How to make lava egg pizza. Step 1. Cut pineapple, capsicum, and sausage into small bite-sized pieces. Step 2. Place the center of the bread to make a hole for the egg. Step 3. Place sausage, capsicum, and pineapple on the bread. Then hammer the eggs into the hole in the middle and sprinkle cheese on it. Step 4. The tomato sauce. Pour it down. Add your rice. And last step, we will bring pizza that we made into the microwave about 3 to 5 minutes or until the egg are cooked as we want.
Sandwich gourmet 1. 2 slices of whole wheat bread. 2. Vegetable low-fat sausage cut in half. 4. A slice of low-fat cheese. 5. Microwave poached egg. 6. Ketchup, low sodium recipe. 7.
Place the salad vegetable on the bed, followed by sausage, cheese, and poached egg with tomato sauce of your choice. Put another slice of bread on it.
Question 1. How many minutes does it take to wave lava egg pizza? 2. To make sandwich, can I use another bread instead? Answer 1. About 3 to 5 minutes. 2. Yes, thick and fluffy breads are best suited for making sandwich